here's lesson 6, page 5. And this is random numbers, right? So it says these two flowers use a single variable to store their petal size, but the value stored in the variable changes in the middle of the program. Let's look. All right, cool. These 4 are the same and these 4 are the same, but they are different values. Okay, run the program several times to see how it works. It looks like it's the same every time. Okay. Discuss the code with your partner. I just did that. And change the program so that the flowers have random petal sizes as in the image. Okay. So look what I do. So I'm looking at the code. I'm going to make it where I can see this a little bit better. And they've used the variable petal size. And it's right up here. And it says equals 30. And then partway through the program, it changes it to 60 up here. And then it says petal size. So what I want to do is I want to use a random number instead of this 30. So watch what I do. I'm going to make it a random number between, this is my discretion here. I'm going to make it between 10 and 50. So let's see what happens here. So every time I run it, this first flower, it's changing. The second flower, it's still becoming 60 every time, because they changed the variable partway through. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to drag the same thing down here, random number between, and I'm going to make this one like a bigger one, between 50 and 100. Now these two numbers can be your size. That's your choice. Now I run it. And if I keep clicking it, see how they're both changing together. What if I made it like 50 and 300? Whoa. All right, that looks a little insane. So that's how you do it. They want you to put a random number for the variable value in 4, and then a random number in 15. And that's how you do it. You just go to the math drawer and drag it over to those two things. Because in line 1, they create the variable. In line 4, they're like, all right, the variable is worth this. And every time we see petal size, it pops in whatever number the computer generated. Partway through the program, it's like, timeout, we want it to be this other one. So it creates a new number, and then it pumps it into wherever you see the variable petal size. All right, that's it. Easy cheesy lemon peasy.